In terms of organic materials, we have natural organic materials like wood or straw, and we have artificial organic materials like plastics of different kinds. Here we have a macrolon plate. Here we have organic I-beam, very interesting. Here we have an insulating material used in between glass plates, which is also made out of artificial organic material, which is in common language called plastic. If we work with wood, we can work with natural massive wood, lumber, timber. This can be of different quality. Here we have maple, for example, or here oak. So it can be hardwood or softwood. Or I could begin to cut this timber in pieces and then reassemble the pieces. So the timber can be cut to different type of pieces like fibers or strands or boards, and then with certain type of glue these can be reassembled to form a glue lamp or this oriented quality, or it can be oriented strand board or particle board or fiber board. So there are different types of disassembled and then reassembled wood. So these are the wood derived products. So as you can see, the image that you can create by cutting a tree into pieces changes according to in which direction you cut it. If you cut it perpendicular, you get this growth ring based type of pattern. If you cut in the direction of the tree trunk, then you will get a more elongated image, and this might change from one tree to the other. Like for example in the oak here you see this micro structure. If I don't want to work with massive wood qualities, which could be the case for tropical wood, for example, or for wood specimens that become rare and expensive, then I could start to peel off thin layers of the tree trunk, then make a sort of veneer out of that and put them on a support plate here out of particle board. So the surface would be poplar in this case, oak in this case, or birch in the third sample, and I can have many different surfaces that determine the look of the wood plates I'm working with. The same could be done with plastic surfaces, like these melamine-based specimens here, and as you can see, the impression that you get is less natural and more artificial, but that can be very attractive as well according to the context. So we have seen one quality criteria which was natural. So natural means it grows by itself and doesn't need a lot of energy to be put in form. Second category might be regional. So if I'm using natural materials from the other side of the world, it takes a lot of transport energy to get it here. So if I can work with regional natural materials in terms of environmentally friendly construction, that would be the best. You can see that tropical wood has been used to build the facade of the material collection. And this tropical wood here is 50 years old, so that's quite old already, and it's still functional. So we always have to ponderate whether we want to use something that lasts longer but is environmentally less efficient. Another way would be to protect the wood better. Here it's not very well protected. So for wood-derived products, as the oriented strength board behind me, you chop the wood into particles and then you glue them together. The glue part might be up to 20%, depending on the kind of product. In this case, it might be around 5%. So rather typical wood-derived product is glue lamp, where you cut the wood into boards and then you glue them together. And you can create rather infinite sections by finger jointing one piece to the other. Wood can also be combined with metal connectors, as be seen in this angle joint here. And on the other side, we have a collection of different connectors that are used in wood construction.